Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. What's up, all? I hope you all of are doing fantastic. Alhamdulillah. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. It's me Hafiz in front of you. I am from Mymensingh. Once again, let's come in another fantastic place. This place is very beautiful. My around is so silent. As you can see, this is a river. This river name is Shutia. People called Shutia river. Actually, this river divided our into two villages, Joshora and Paloikanda. My dear brother and sister, as you know, I have come here for practicing purpose. Nowadays, I feel some good because every day I continue my speaking English journey. My dear brother and sister, as you know, my good dream is becoming a good speaker in English. So I always try to so something about speaking English, and I want to fulfill my dream. My dear brother and sister, I want to improve my speaking skill day by day. Brother and sister, as you can see, my behind me a lot of trees available here, and this is a big paddy field where are green and green. My dear brother and sister, as you can see behind me, this is a vegetable garden. You can see this is a river, but no enough water. When rainy season, that time this river is become fulfill water. My dear brother and sister, when I was small, that time I always try to come in this river for swimming. Swimming is very helpful exercise for health. My dear brother and sister who are watching and listening this video, I hope you all of are always help me, especially who are want to learn speaking English. They are can start your speaking journey. English is very easy when you can practice regularly. So I always try to continue my practice. My dear brother and sister, finally all of are always support me by giving your like, comment, share, and follow in my page. No more today. See you again in another fantastic place with good topics. Until that time, you stay always fit and fine. Khuda Hafiz.